is like pretty new in Cape Coral now. We moved from Fort Myers Beach like end of 2016, and it just takes a year to get this place open. Yeah, but now we are open since March, and yeah, we are pretty happy and glad yeah, to serve burgers now in Cape Coral. My favorites on the menus is pretty simple, like everything with Lehne in front, it's my favorites. So we have the Lehne nachos like as appetizer, they come like tortilla chips with pulled pork, like Asiago cheese and jalapenos, or like Lehne barbecue burger with the hash brown on it, or deluxe burger, like the most, yeah, the #1 burger over here. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully I see you guys here soon, and check it out.